You don't have bad hair. You have bad strategy. That's why one routine makes you greasy by lunchtime, another dries out your ends, and a third turns your hair into a flat, lifeless helmet. And the funniest thing is, you've probably already bought the products that were supposed to fix everything. In this video, I'll show you 6 reasons why almost no hair routine works for you, and how to fix it quickly, without a circus with 10 banks, without copying a guy from the internet who has a completely different scalp, different density, and different texture. 1. The problem is in the skin, not the hair. This is a basic mistake that makes your look tired and cheap. The roots are greasy, the links are dry, the top has zero shape, and the entire hairstyle looks like you woke up and gave up. Shampoo should solve your scalp problem, not flatter your fantasy of healthy length. If your scalp is oily, itchy, or prone to buildup, and you're slathering it all on with heavy conditioner, you're literally ruining your silhouette. First, determine 2 things: what kind of scalp you have: oily, normal, dry, with or without dandruff, and what kind of hair you have: fine, medium, or coarse, straight, wavy, or curly. Shampoo for the scalp. Conditioner for the lengths and ends only, not the other way around. 2. You blindly copy someone else's washing frequency. One of the dumbest pieces of advice on the internet is wash less often and your hair will adapt. No. If your scalp is oily, you work out, sweat, wear styles, and force washes. You're not disciplined your hair. You're accumulating oil, itchiness, odor, and limp volume. That's why some people's hair looks clean and airy, but yours sticks to your scalp the next day. The problem isn't loser genetics. The problem is that you stole a regimen from someone with a different scalp type. If your scalp is oily or your hair gets oily quickly, you may be able to wash it every other day or sometimes more often with a mild shampoo. If your hair is dry, wavy, or curly, the intervals may be longer. There is no universal frequency. And no, your hair does not learn to love dirt. 3. Overdosing on products. Thin hair, low porosity hair, and wavy hair often fail, not due to lack of care, but due to too much care. Creams, oils, greasy leave-ins, thick masks, and that's it. Hair falls out, sticks together, loses elasticity, and looks greasy even when it's clean. And then you look in the mirror and think, I guess my hair type is just bad. No, you just planted your light hair under a concrete slab. If your hair is thin, loses volume quickly, or is prone to buildup, switch to lighter formulas: spray, mousse, light gel, less cream, less oil. If your hair is dry, coarse, or curly, you often need more moisture support, not more product. The right product. 4. You're styling your hair in the wrong condition. This is where people literally kill the shape with their hands. Wavy hair is combed dry, curls are rubbed with a towel, straight thin hair is poured with cream on a wet head, and then they wonder why everything looks either fluffy or dead. Dry brushing your waves almost always adds frizz. A rough towel creates friction. The wrong amount of water when styling changes everything, from the shine to how well the hair holds its shape. For wavy and curly hair, style it on damp or very damp hair. Don't comb it dry, and don't rub it with a towel, only a microfiber towel or a t-shirt. If you blow dry, keep the heat moderate. Don't fry your scalp just because you're in a hurry. 5. Buildup is the issue, not your hair type. When hair suddenly becomes dull, sticky, heavy, and stops holding its shape, it is very often not a mystery or a curse. It is buildup. Styling, dry shampoo, conditioner residue, not rinsing enough, and now you don't have unruly hair, but just a layer of debris on your scalp and length. That's why hair can be oily on top and dry on the bottom at the same time. A disgusting combination. If you use styling products a lot or your hair quickly becomes flat, add clarifying shampoo periodically. And one more thing. Rinse longer than you are used to. For many people, the problem is not a lack of product, but that they simply do not rinse off the previous one. 6. Stop looking for the ideal. It doesn't exist. Here's the truth that most people don't want to hear. Your transformation doesn't begin when you find the magic jar. It begins when you stop being lazy in your observation. There is no one-size-fits-all routine. There is only a system that works for you. Your scalp, your thickness, your texture, your lifestyle. So stop copying someone else's set of jars and start building your own regimen. Because in most cases, it's not their hair that ruins people. It's the mismatch between what they have on their head and what they do with it that ruins them. Subscribe to receive more useful content and join the waiting list using the link in the description. I'm collecting all the working algorithms into a single system so that you will be the first to get access to the finished transformation map.